My research is important to me. These days, I'm constantly striving to obtain the best scientific results possible. This means that I shouldn't be worrying about the reliability of my tools and instruments. And luckily, I don't have to worry, since the Agilent 6495 LCTQ makes it easy to use and maintain. Whenever I inject dirty samples, I can quickly replace the ion injector capillary for easy maintenance. VacShield makes it so I don't have to shut everything down. If anything strange is happening with the instrument, or if maintenance is to be expected, early maintenance feedback will let me know. Before I leave the lab, I set scheduled auto-tune to run. My day might be done, but my instrument is still working. I expect my samples to be finished around 3 a.m. Scheduled auto-tune makes it so when I come back to the lab in the morning, my instrument is ready to run, and I'm ready to start analyzing a fresh set of samples for the day. I can count on my robust and reliable Agilent 6495 triple quad to give me the answers I need.